So this is the Telesin neck camera mount. I got this because I didn't want to use like a chest strap, like a chest mounted strap for my Insta360. So I wanted something like this because you can quickly take it on and off and it works great. There's one thing I don't like about it, which I'll tell you in a minute, but let me show you the different accessories that come with it. So this is kind of your default setup. And what's really cool is you just rotate this and it comes right off. And then to put it back on, it's like magnetic. So it just clips right on. So you rotate it off and you just snap it on. So it's really easy to take your camera on or off while leaving the neck mount around your neck. So the neck strap itself is a silicone with like a metal, I think it's like a stainless steel metal wire inside. Super comfortable. This thing is very, very comfortable. Here's the only thing I don't like about it. It's kind of fidgety to get this lined up when it's around your neck. For some reason, I can do it when I'm looking at it. So like it's really easy to kind of do it when you're looking at it. And then by the way, to release it, you just press this button and it comes off. But I feel like they could have engineered it a little bit more forgiving to get this to snap in. Now it comes with this offset arm as well. So you can mount your GoPro or action camera in vertical orientation for creating vertical videos. And you get this quarter 20 stud adapter with an optional nut here. So this makes it adjustable. And there's also a phone clamp with threads on either the back or the bottom. So you can mount this like this. And because of the adjustable nut, you can orient the mount however you want and then just tighten the nut. So you can mount your phone onto the mount like this. See, again, I'm having trouble. See, there it is. I just got to get used to how it's oriented. But there you go. So now you have your phone mount right on there and it's great. I really like not having the full chest mount thing with all the straps and everything. And it's really easy to take off and put back on. You just got to get used to how this thing clips in. I feel like when I look at it, I can get it. But when I'm not looking at it, I can't figure it out. So overall, it's a great quality neck mount. I think it's probably one of the better quality ones that I've seen on Amazon. So definitely check it out. The Telesin U-shaped neck holder mount. Great for your phone or action camera.